Hey guys, so today I am DIYing basically like a skincare makeup vanity because I need a place to do my makeup and actually like do skincare routines that's dedicated. Otherwise, like everybody else, I'll forget. So basically, we're gonna start. I did tape up a mirror that I bought at Walmart, probably like $5. Taped it up, covered the mirror with some paper. I'm gonna spray paint it outside along with this. This is the desktop that I pretty much bought from Home Depot. It's like 6 feet. I cut it down from 8 and I taped it. I did this design on my bedroom in the past. So I'm gonna do this again on my desktop. And I got 2 dresser drawers from Michael's. They were like $35 a piece because they were on sale. And basically I put them together just so that I can have easy drawers. They're cheaper than the ones at IKEA because nobody has $200 to be spending on 2 separate drawers. That's ridiculous. And I put them together. The wood that I cut up from the desktop that I'm gonna use to put on top, I just put the excess wood here to give it a little extra height. I'm gonna glue it down later or drill it in. And then, once I've done that, I'm going to put the desktop on top after I spray paint it outside.
Yeah. 72 hours later.
So I lied. I don't like the height of the desk, so I'm going back to Home Depot to get another piece of wood, more spray paint, and maybe some feet. Maybe those will make it taller, make it a little more raised. So that's what I'm about to go do today and finish up the desk. Trying to find the paint that I had last time. This one, I think I'm gonna go a different color. Yikes, this time. Here are the 2 colors that I got, the aged copper and the copper gold, like a rose gold color. All right, so this is the final desktop. It ended up being way longer, not way longer, but it ended up being a little bit longer than the first one. But that's fine, because what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make sure that they're together, and it's just gonna be a longer desktop. I'm not even gonna be mad at that. Use that.
3 weeks later.
Okay, so this is the 4th time of me trying to edit this video, finish this video. We're almost there. We're almost at the end. So after putting the wood together and putting it on top and like measuring it out for the desk, I needed some glue to basically hold the desk and the drawers together. So I got this. It's called Type Bond from Melanin wood glue. Like, that's the type of wood that it is that I got from Home Depot. It's called Melanin wood. So they said that this is going to be fast acting and really strong to keep the wood together and keep it together as a desk. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to measure out the ends so that it looks even. And also I want to show you guys something. Okay, so I got the desk together. I put the pieces of wood the way I wanted them. I kind of wanted a little stair effect, so that's why they're different levels. Also, I just used the extra wood that I got from cutting off the longer pieces and made them the middle part. Put some tape on them, spray painted them outside, and boom. Now I got 3 levels. And it makes this like more of a centerpiece where I'll put my vanity mirror and all that good stuff. So basically I measured out the edges of which I wanted to keep the little space, because then they'll be used for different levels of things. And then I'm just gonna literally glue them together, and we're gonna make this desk an actual desk and not just drawers with pieces of wood on them. For the Type Bond, it says that it should go on a clean, dry surface, and that you should apply a heavy spread of the glue, clamp it down for 30 minutes, and don't stress the joints for 24 hours so that it can really seal. And it honestly depends on your environmental conditions and the fit of the glue to the positioning. I just put it down on the table. Let's show you. And I put 2 bins on top to apply pressure and allow gravity to just do its work. And we're gonna see how it comes out. We finally have a vanity desk. I love the results. It came out amazing. I'm gonna put all the information and descriptions of everything where I purchased down in the description box, and I really appreciate you guys watching this video. It took about a month, but we got there, and I love my desk. It's super easy to move to, so I pushed it out so that I could tape. But thank you guys again for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.